Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, on this short video that I'm going to be making, I've got a piece of trim on the driver's side here in the van that I want to carpet. Now, there's carpets out there, traditional carpets that you have a carpet and you spray an adhesive onto that, let it go off, let it go tacky, and then you stick it onto whatever you want to stick it onto. Well, this stuff I've got, and I've done all the van in it, is a self-adhesive backing carpet. It's still 4-way stretch. So I'm going to take this piece of trim off and I'm just going to show you this carpet. For anybody who's new to it or doesn't know anything about this self-adhesive backing, all it is, I've found that it's just a lot less mess and messing about. So if anybody's interested in buying this carpet, I'll leave a link below and that's where you can get it from. As ever, please give us a thumbs up or leave your comments, and please subscribe, and we'll get on to getting this trim off. Right, this is the trim in question, this piece here, this part. So and you can see it's got some scratches there, and obviously I've got all this is carpeted and stuff. So I need to get this trim off now, so we'll get the plastic trim tool out. Let's get that in there. Oh, that's good, isn't it? Let's get that in there. Oh, that's good, isn't it? Right, so now we've got that off. Took that screw out of there. There's a screw in this side, and then we get the pop this round again. Plastic tool in there. Not let it get out. Oh, there we go. Right, and then now we're going to do this one-handed. Right, let's have a look. Then you knit them two together. There's two clips there. I think I'm going to need two hands here. You can see that there. Them two there, them two clips there. And give it a pull. There we go. And it's off. There we go. Right, these are all the things that you'll need. I need some gloves. I've got a blade, some scissors. I've got my trim. I've already washed it, but I'm gonna give it a quick spray with some card cleaner. It's all I've got to hand, but it evaporates straight away. This is the carpet we're on about. This is your self-adhesive backing on it. So all we do is just peel that off, and there's your backing. And it comes in rolls of you can have 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter, whatever meterage you want, but it's the width of it is 1.4 meters. So I think you pay by the meter, obviously. So we'll get on with putting some gloves on and give it a bit of a wipe down. Right, now I've got my gloves on. Get a clear, get a rag. Just give it a bit of a. Make sure it's well ventilated, because stuff stinks. Or just to get any contaminants off the actual. Bit of trimming or whatever you're trimming. Like I said, this has got really big gouge in it there. I don't know if you pick it up on camera, but it's got a massive gouge in it there and scratches all over. And no amount of putting dyes on and stuff's going to cover that up. But I'm a bit biased anyway, because I like carpet. Each to their own. Right, that's cleaned up. So what we'll do now, lie that down on top of there. Down on top of there. Just make it a little bit bigger than what you want. front bottom like that. And you don't want it right up to the very edge of it on this bit here, because it'll pull itself back, so you need to tuck it in enough inside. Way of collecting something without having to actually get self-adhesive, getting cans of adhesive out and stuff and what have you. So what we'll do now is we'll go back to the van, stick it in the van and see what you think. I'd love to hear your comments and that as to whether you like it or not. But yeah, it's just easier to use, I find. Right. So it's about putting everything back in reverse now. I don't know if I can do this one. I'm done. Let's have a look. Put that into the get in. I think that's the right way around. There we go. That slides up into there. And there we go. It's on. Like I say, not to everybody's taste, but that's on there. I'll put the cover on the side now, so I better do it with two hands because I dropped it last time. Right, that goes into there. And there we go. It's on. And that's the finish sound you do. There we go. Right, that's the end of the video. I hope you found it informative, if that's what you were looking for. Like I say, just to show you that this self-adhesive backing, you can use it on anything. It's just an excuse to put some carpet on something. It's just a bit less mess and all that. So if you've liked it, or if you haven't liked it and you want to leave a comment below, just give us a shout and I'll try and answer what I can. But if you have, give us a thumbs up and please subscribe. And hopefully I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.